The top two pilots of this one going to the final four. Good luck. Arm your quads. Let's launch in less than 5.
This is going to be an aggressive start for these guys. It is do or die. They need to finish first and second to get themselves into that final. First one who's going to be looking for redemption is going to be Ethan FPV. He fell off the launch stand on the last one. He is way out ahead right now with the rest of our field.
He is out front. He's with the red LEDs going up high to the skies. Again, racing for redemption here in the semifinal rounds. Looks like second is going to be Swifty with those yellow LEDs. No, Swifty.
Swifty in a little bit of a battle there with Slowpoke FPV. It was a little bit of a battle. Unfortunately, Slowpoke FPV on his lid, unfortunately. I see the goggles up. He's going to finish out 6th place here, it looks like, at this event. And Swifty right now running in the number 2 spot. Ethan FPV, your leader, way out in front. Moving on to the final lap from left to right in front of your audience right there. There goes Ethan FPV. He's showing people here that he's got this. He had some technical difficulties earlier, but he's reminding everyone that he's got the speed, he's got the lines. Turning around for that gate is actually about to go through at the wrong side. Remember, you got to fly the course correctly, otherwise you get disqualified. Nice, smooth, beautiful S-turn there. Actually making a pass for lap traffic there on Swifty FPV, who's a lap behind him now. Ethan FPV in your final.
That's racing for redemption right there. He was your top qualifier, just about got eliminated, and he is going to be in that final four with Neon FPV and Benny Mac. And joining him looks to be Swifty. Swifty getting across the line in the yellow LEDs.
Yeah, absolutely. Swifty FPV right now working on his final lap. It looks like no video from any of our other pilots. Actually, we had a little bit of video there still from K1NG, but all Swifty has to do is finish. And the announcer's curse kicking in. These goggles are still on, but he's fighting to recover his drone. We saw him do this in the last race and make up some time.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
King is back up.
And he is through, going through our top gate, left to right, and he is going to be joining Ethan FPV in that final 4 group of pilots, it looks like. Actually, no, he is still...
No, he got second for the NASCAR rule. It's all good. So Ethan FPV and Swifty, you're up right now versus Neon and Benny Mac in our final 4.